So, hello everyone, this is Deepak Joshi, and today we are going to solve another question of GFG POTD, that is largest number possible. So, in this particular question, we have given two integers that are n and s. N represents the number of digits, and s represents the sum of the digits. What we need to do in this particular question is we need to return a string having n digit, and the sum of all the digits should be s, and that particular number formed by the pattern that is present in the string should be the maximum or the largest number. Let us take an example. Here we have given n is equals to 2 and s equals to 9, means we need to have two digits in our string and the sum of those two digits should be 9. So our required answer will be 90 because the sum of digit is 90. 9 plus 0 is 9, and the total number of digit present here is 2 only. Okay. Now, what? Let us take another example, that is 9 3, n equals to 3 and s equals to 20, and try to decode it using our method. Here we have mentioned that n is equals to 3 and s equals to 20. Like, the first basic intuition that comes to my mind is, if s is greater than equal to 9, then put 9 as our maximum thing, means our answer will be first, it will be carrying 9. Okay, we have remaining two positions and my sum will reduce to 20 minus 9, that will come out to be 11. Now my sum is 11 and my targeted digits will be 2. Now I have to break down this 11 to get maximum number, and there should be only two digits. Like, 11 is also greater than 9, so what will I do is I'll write 9 also, because any greater number will start from 9 and will have maximum 9 at its front. Okay, so from 11 I also subtract 9 and it will come out to be 2. So it is less than 2, I'll append it as it is. That's it. This is my three digit largest number which I can get, and all sum of all the digits will be 20 here. Like, you can calculate also, 2 plus 9 is 11 and 11 plus 9 is 20. Like, what will happen if my n is given to me as 4 and my sum is given to me as 20? Then what will I do? Like, the same process, I'll repeat the same process. First I will find out whether the sum is greater than 9 or not. If it is greater than 9, I'll write 9 simply, but and the sum will reduce to 11, my digit will reduce to 3. Okay, now 11 is also greater than 9, I'll write 9 and my sum will reduce to 2, and my digits will be 2. Remaining digits that I need to use is 2. Now my remaining sum is 2, I'll append it as it is and my sum will become 0, and the number of digit I have to use is 1. So what I'll do is I'll append 0 as it is. Okay, this is my 4 digit maximum number which I get, and the sum of all the digit will be 20 here only. Okay, now, how should I code this particular thing? Very easy. Okay, like the intuition I'm going coding this particular thing. Let us create a answer string. Okay, now it will be empty for now. Okay, now then what I'll check is, if my given sum is 0, if this is the condition, or and my number of digit is 1, then how should I approach? My sum is 0 and n is greater than 1, or my sum is greater than number of digits multiplied by 9. If it is the scenario, then in that particular case what I need to return is, I need to return -1, because it is not possible. So simply return -1. Okay, so I'll be returning a string like this only. That's it. Now I'm going to stick to my approach, which is, in a while loop, what I'll do is I'll iterate to sum until it is greater than or equal to 9. Then what I'll do is I'll carry on adding 9 to my string, then simply reducing my sum to 9, sum by 9. That's it. Means I have appended 9 to my answer and reduced 9 from my sum. Okay, as to my intuition. Okay, now there can be cases when s can be left. This if case will only run when there is a value of s present in s only. Okay, now what do I need to do with this s? Simply I need to do answer plus equals to s. That's it. But s is an integer and answer is string, so I need to use a function that is to convert this particular thing to string. So I'll write to string. I'm sorry, to string. Again, I'm sorry. Okay, two string. That's it. That's it. That's it. What I need to write. Okay. Now, यहाँ तक this case runs fine. Let me take this case. This case will run fine. Okay. Let me compile and run. And actually, I'm sorry. I have not returned my string. So let me return my string. This will show an error because मैंने कुछ return ही नहीं किया. So okay. So this is running fine. 3 and 20 are running fine. But what if I change this 3 to 4? Then it will be not providing the answer as I want. Let me configure it and show it to you. Yes. So this is the case. Expected answer should be 9920. As I have mentioned, this is the new thing. Ask Yogi. इन्होंने इसका नाम योगी रख दिया है, पहले शायद इसका नाम कुछ और था. ओके, बॉट है ये, चैट बॉट ऑफ जीएफजी. मैं काफ़ी दिनों बाद जीएफजी पर कोड कर रहा हूँ और मैं काफ़ी कंसिस्टेंट हूँ, आपको पता ही होगा इस चैनल पे. ये सरकाज़म था वैसे, आई एम सॉरी. कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं फिर से कंसिस्टेंट हो जाऊँ. ये रियलिटी में बोला, ये सरकाज़म नहीं था. ओके. So how to approach this particular thing, because our expected output is 9920 and my output is 992. तो मैंने कहा था कि अब जितनी भी डिजिट्स बची हैं, ठीक है, लाइक अब जितना भी n बचा है, अब क्या करें, सिंपली हम अपेंड कर देंगे. तो अब कितना n बचा है, हम या तो हम यहाँ पे n का ट्रेस रखें, लाइक वी नीड टू ट्रेस n इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वाइल लूप. ये करने से अच्छा है हमारे स्ट्रिंग का जो आंसर होगा वो अभी तक का n है और जितना बचा है वो माइनस करके आ जाएगा. मीन्स मैं इसको आइट्रेट कैसे करूंगा, सिंपली while answer dot size is less than n, तब तक कैरी ऑन करो. सिंपल, आंसर डॉट साइज जितने स्टेप हो चुके हैं और जितने बचे हैं वो लेस देन n रहेंगे, और उतनों में उतनी प्लेसेस में हम क्या अपेंड कर देंगे, 0. दैट्स इट. दैट इज व्हाट आई नीडेड टू ऐड. इफ आई कंपाइल एंड रन, इट विल रन फाइन एंड स्मूथली. आई होप ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. एंड द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कोड इज big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of n because we are using a string. I hope it is running fine. Yes, it is running fine because our expected output and our output is 9920. Same. Let's submit it and figure out if there is an error or edge case we have left. No, we have not left any edge case and our answer has been successfully submitted. So I hope you got this particular answer and you have approached this thing with me. And if there is any doubt, please feel free to comment. I'll try to respond to you, ठीक है, as quick as I am. फिर मिलेंगे किसी और क्वेश्चन में. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.